Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Math Learning with Shobita. Today we discuss a question from linear algebra which is asked in the KCET examination 2023. The question is, let A is equal to 213k. What is the value of k for which the eigenvalues of the matrix A are positive? Option A, k less than 3 by 2. Option B, k equal to 2. Option C, k greater than 3 by 2. Option D, k less than minus 3 by 2. So let us solve the question. They have asked to find the value of k for which the eigenvalues of the matrix A are positive. So the given matrix A is 2 by 2 matrix. A is here is given 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore, the eigenvalues will be lambda 1 and lambda 2. Two eigenvalues will be there. Both are positive means the determinant. We have one of the result. Determinant of a matrix. Determinant of a matrix A is equal to product of eigenvalues. So, lambda 1 into lambda 2. Both lambda 1 and lambda 2 are positive means the product, their product lambda 1 into lambda 2 should be positive. That is, determinant of A is greater than 0. Now we will evaluate the determinant. Determinant of A is equal to determinant of 213k. So this is 2k minus 3. Determinant of A greater than 0. This implies 2k minus 3 greater than 0. This implies 2k is greater than 3. This implies k is greater than 3 by 2. K is greater than 3 by 2. So option C is correct. Thank you friends. Please share and subscribe the channel.